stripped out the heavy jargon like interpreters or compilers and focused on simple analogies that anyone can understand, even if today is their day one. I spent a lot of time figuring out where to write the code. I went online and everyone had a different opinion. One person said you have to use VS Code, that's what the pros use. Another said no, PyCharm is better. And the course which I bought said that Jupyter Notebooks is way better than both of them. My first 3 days went pretty overwhelming where I was just installing and uninstalling these tools. So in this video I'm going to save you that headache. I tried all three: VS Code, Jupyter Notebooks and PyCharm as a beginner. I'm going to explain you what they are and what to start with today. So first of all, why so many options? See, you need a tool which can read your Python code and tell the computer what to do. Let's look at the three main options. Option 1, Jupyter Notebooks. If you're taking an online course right now, this is what you have heard. It looks a little weird because it opens up in your browser like Microsoft Edge or Chrome. The best thing about it is the instant feedback. You can write a tiny piece of code and the answer pops right beneath it, which means you can just test one line at a time. I am a beginner, I am making mistakes constantly. This is something which is very helpful for a beginner. In Jupyter, I can see where the error was and fix it right there. Option 2, VS Code. This is the most popular tool in the world of programming. You can use it to build websites, analyze data, or build games. And it's very fast. You have to install extensions. These are like little apps to make your Python work. Option 3, PyCharm. PyCharm is a tool specifically built for Python. It is big, powerful, heavy. It has a ton of buttons and features designed to help professional engineers manage massive projects with millions of lines of code. The downside is it is too vast. There are so many menus and options. When you open it for the first time, you can easily get lost. So what about Anaconda? Before I tell you my choice, I have to mention Anaconda. You might have heard this name. I was confused at first. Was Anaconda a code editor? No. Think of Anaconda as a starter kit box. If you download Python by itself, it's like buying a toy with no batteries included. You have to go find the batteries yourself. If you download Anaconda, it's like buying the deluxe edition. It comes with Python and Jupyter Notebook already installed. So my advice, download Anaconda. It makes the setup so much easier. Okay, so I have all three installed, but what do I use actually when I study? Right now as a beginner, I use Jupyter Notebooks 90% of the time. I don't want to worry about files and folders. I want to see the logic. I do keep VS Code on my computer. Sometimes I use Jupyter Notebooks in my VS Code. And PyCharm, honestly, I stopped using it. Because right now, it's just too much for me. One day, if I go pro, I'll definitely use it. But for learning, keep it simple. If you're just starting out, don't overthink this. The code you write is the same in all three tools. Because print hello world works the same every time. Download the Anaconda distribution, launch the Jupyter Notebook and just start coding. Don't let the setup stop you from coding. I wasted days worrying about a perfect tool. You don't need the perfect tool, you just need to start. I'll see you in the next video.